If you're looking for an inexpensive four-wheel drive, this 2002 Chevy Trailblazer is an excellent choice. This is four-wheel drive. Nice 17-inch aluminum wheels. Excellent tread life remaining on the tires. This is a local trade to our dealership. This is the second time that we've owned this Trailblazer. It's been through our service department a few times. When checking it out, it was apparent that the previous owners took excellent care of it. It's got a clean Carfax report. It's non-smoking. Seating and upholstery are all in very nice shape. You can see it's equipped with a CD player, dual zone climate control, shift on the fly four-wheel drive, steering wheel radio controls. We have this Trailblazer sale priced at $5,500. It's an excellent buy. Looking at the rear profile of the vehicle. You do have a trailering package on this Trailblazer. Coming along the passenger side, no excessive signs of dents, scratches, dings, etc. You can view this Trailblazer and all of our inventory online at tschevy.com or call us at 800-866-2138 and ask for someone in the sales department. Thanks for looking.